everybody. Hi, my honey tree friends. I miss you a lot. Well, I'm back, and today we are going to be talking about Easter and pastel colors. But let's look at the month that we said that we were together. The last time I saw you was in March. Oh my gosh, look at the color. Do you remember what holiday that was? It was St. Patrick's Day, and it was also very, very windy day, if you remember the picture. I'm going to turn the page, and now it is the month of April. It's the uppercase A, and it's P-R-I-L. And look at the color of the paper, of the page. It's pink. It's a different color pink. It's called pastel pink, which I'm going to show you everything about this, about pastel. How do you make pastel colors? I'm going to read this page, and it's called April. Bless the raindrops from the sky. Bless the babies rolling by. Bless all papas and their pups. Bless the cats and buttercups. And it's also showing that it's raining, and there's a kitty cat and flowers. And it's spring. A lot of things are happening in spring. And we're going to have Easter on this month of April. And wait a minute, is it tomorrow? It's 11 more days for Easter. Ask your mom and dad to help you count on the calendar, because it's not tomorrow and it's not the next day. It's 11 more days. So right here, I'm going to show you how to make pastel colors. And there's my bunny. My bunny wants to see it also. So I have some colors here. We talked about it on the rainbow colors when we were sharing. And this is green. I'm just going to put a little bit of a green there. And this is my favorite color, purple. Oh, wait a minute. I'm wearing purple too. Is this the same color purple that I'm wearing? Let's see. No, it's much darker. Mine is lighter, or pastel. This is the color yellow. Just a little bit. I don't need that much. And what color is this? That's right, it's orange. Now here is my magic color to make these colors pastel. It's the color white. And I want to put a lot of white here. And I'm going to put a lot of white on the purple, a lot of white on the yellow, and a lot of white on the orange. And now I'm going to mix. And look what's going to happen. Whoa, I love these colors. These are called pastel colors. That's green. You could say light green, but it's pastel during the time of Easter. And this is my favorite color, purple. Oh, look at that pretty purple. I love pastel colors. And I'm going to mix this white and yellow, and it makes a different color. It makes light yellow or pastel. And my last color is orange. Orange and white. Look at the pretty orange. Okay, now I have a shape here. Is it a circle? No, it's not. It's an oval. It's a shape like an egg, an Easter egg. I'm going to decorate my Easter egg, because this doesn't look very fun having a white Easter egg. So I'm going to get my colors, and I'm going to paint on them like that. I'm going to make little stripes like this. I'm going to get the green, make another zigzag line, and I'm going to make some dots on the top and on the bottom, just like that. There's my Easter egg. You could find these paint colors in the store if you like. And what I also have for you is a very, very fun game about Easter too. And you need a dice. I'm going to use Cheez-Its, because that's the only thing I found. You could use Cheerios, marshmallows, M&Ms, even Skittles. And here's my oval shape again. And this is the color green. Now, I'm going to make circles on it. I'm going to make maybe around 10, 12, 15 circles maybe. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so I'm going to roll the dice. The dice has lots of dots on it. I'm going to roll it. And how many dots do you see? I see 2. Help me count. 1, 2. Now I'm going to put 2 Cheez-Its on there. I'm going to put 1, 2. You're going to roll again. Oh, How many dots do you see? I see 3. 1, 2, 3. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. And you keep rolling the dice until you cover all the circles up with any food item that you have there or anything that you have. You can put rocks on there too. So that's the game.